And right now.
And Travis. Available now at CWTV.com. Supernatural is brought.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a fire warning at the request of the St. Louis Fire Services. At 9:24 a.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous wildfire located over 12 miles at the intersection of 3000 St. John's Avenue in St. Louis. This fire has a 100% rate of spreading across the entire state of Missouri. Residents near the intersection of 3000 St. John's Avenue must prepare for extreme wildfires. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Do not approach the wildfire. Make sure to keep informed through NOW Weather Radio or a commercial radio for more information. Do not drive into smoke.
See more videos at DoSomethingAmazing.com.
Better than ever, Tampax cardboard has 3-way leak protection. Anti-slip grip,